Overview. After almost 10 years, the GMC Canyon and its twin, the Chevrolet Colorado, get new bones for 2023. The Canyon has forever been almost indistinguishable from its Thai brother, yet to a limited extent. By and large, the truck have shared powertrains, a smooth ride, and a disappointing inside with Colorado. Other than being all new all around for 2023, the two of them have a devoted rough terrain identical this year. The 310 horsepower GMC Canyon gets another AT4X trim like the Chevy ZR2, which siphons his up with essentially more rough terrain ability. The AT4X turns into a serious challenger to the most rough terrain situated renditions of opponents like the Toyota Tacoma, the Jeep Gladiator, and the Ford Ranger. By the way, we have complete information about Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma on our channel, and we will prepare next video about Chevy Colorado. The AT4X utilizes the ZR2's Multimatic spool valve dampers, locking front and back differentials, and redesigned suspension with accessible 33-inch off-road tires. The Canyon model is produced in 5 series. Elevation, $38,395 AT4, $45,395 4WD Denali, $52,495 AT4X, $56,995 AT4X Edition 1, $68,000. Fundamentally pricier than the Chevy, it imparts most parts to. The Canyon is for the people who need something else and wouldn't fret paying for it. Considering that $50,000 is still a ton for a fair-sized pickup, taking a gander at you, Canyon Denali, so we'd rest easier thinking about recommending Canyon AT4, which offers a lot of standard gear like 4-wheel drive, a 11.3-inch infotainment framework, and a 2.0-inch lift, however for considerably less than the Denali trim. Warmed front seats that are physically movable are additionally standard on the AT4, as is the pleasant-to-have remote beginning, interior, comfort, and cargo. GMC has carried a truly necessary innovation to within the Canyon. Accessible gear incorporates underbody cameras, a head-up show, and a full overhaul of the Canyon's cabin like how Chevy refreshed the new Colorado's inside. Another computerized measure bunch sits behind another directing wheel, and the stuff shifter is presently nearer to the traveler side of the taxi, which permits space for the drive mode choice handle. GMC has even moved those valuable cup holders into a more profound cubby, nearer to the driver and traveler. The AT4X trim comes standard with a head-up show and a boomtastic 7-speaker Bose sound framework. Elevation and AT4 manages get to 8.0-inch computerized check group, while Denali and AT4X get a bigger 11.0-inch show. Each Canyon gets an extravagant 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, making them all Wi-Fi area of interest skilled and remote Android Auto and Apply CarPlay viable. Remote telephone charging is accessible on AT4 trim, yet standard on Denali and AT4X. GM's hitch view and hitch guidance system that makes finding a willing trailer tongue a lot simpler are standard on even the modest elevation trim level. The 360-degree camera is standard on Denali and AT4X just, however, accessible on the two most reduced trim levels for additional money. Engine, transmission, and performance. Each Canyon utilizes a 310 horsepower turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 motor with 430 pound-feet of force. That is darted to an 8-speed programmed transmission with back-tire drive as standard, yet an emphatically proposed 4-wheel drive is discretionary. That is comparable to the Colorado ZR2, yet with 39 extra pound-feet of force. This gives both GM medium-size pickup more power and force than the V6 powertrains found in the Honda Ridgeline, Jeep Gladiator, and Toyota Tacoma. Sadly, one more equation imparted to the Chevy is the cessation of the Duramax diesel. The Canyon has well-weighted guiding and a firm brake pedal that matches the qualities of its strong inclination frame. We referred to the last stage GM average size pickups as the best driving body on outline vehicle at a bargain today. The new GMC Canyon has a maximum towing limit of 7,700 pounds for elevation, AT4, and Denali trim levels. That rating drops to 6,000 pounds for Canyon AT4X, and down to 5,500 for the AT4X when optioned with the Edition 1 bundle. The most eco-friendly GMC Canyon is the back-tire drive elevation model that gets an EPA-assessed 18 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon expressway. Things just get somewhat more eager for four-wheel drive models, with an EPA-assessed 17 miles per gallon city and 21 miles per gallon on the thruway. The EPA additionally gauges mud landscape prepared Canyon pickups get an expected 17 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon thruway. Safety, driver help elements and guarantee. GMC's rundown of driver help highlights for the Canyon is essential for its standard Pro Safety package. For more data about the Canyon's accident test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Key well-being highlights are probably going to include standard forward impact advance notice and mechanized crisis slowing down, standard path takeoff cautioning and path keeping help, available adaptive cruise control. General Motors gives cutthroat inclusion in the medium-size pickup portion with the Canyon and the Colorado. The two have the best consumption insurance and the most noteworthy emergency aids inclusion. While free booked support is incorporated, Toyota gives better inclusion. Restricted guarantee covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain guarantee covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Free support covers 1 visit for the primary year. In conclusion, we try to provide complete information about each car so that you can choose the right one and find the right car for you. Write your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.